Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Trading Game. So it's an educational stock market related channel wherein we'll be looking at different aspects of the trading or the stock market. So today we will be looking into the Q3 results of ICICI Bank, which got announced like a couple of days back, and we'll be reviewing that thoroughly, how exactly the results were and the after effects of that in the market. So without further ado, we'll just start the video. So let's talk about the different parameters and what are the current results and what the results earlier. So now you can see this profit after tax, which is also called as PAT. Okay, so currently the profit made by the company this quarter is 4,146 crore rupees compared to earlier 1,604. You can see that the difference there, it is 158 percentage, guys. So the profit is kind of heavy. So it is 158 percentage from 1,600. The profit has raised to 4,146 crores, which is too high comparatively. And you can see the note here. The bank has crossed 3,000 crore profits only in the last only in two times in the history. So crossing now 4,000 is the first time in the history. That means this particular sentence tells what exactly the results are for the company. The results are too good. Okay. And coming to gross ENPA, so you might be knowing what is ENPA. If you don't know, like let me explain this in a simple words. So NPA is nothing but non-performing assets. So non-performing assets are the ones wherein the company might not get the benefit out of the loans or whatever the assets it is having. So meaning, so assume that a company has given a loan to some person and for some reason they are not able to recover the given loan, then those are called as NPA. So that NPA this is dropped to 5.95%, which was 6.37% earlier. So which means is that NPA is dropping and hence it is a big positive for the company. Okay, the lesser the NPA, the prosperous the company is or the bank is. So before going to the next step, you last 3 days back I had prepared a brief video on Yes Bank. You can just click on the I icon above, so that you will get the results and how exactly the bank behaved after my review there. You can just once you have some time, you can just click on that and go through the video. Now coming to this ICICI Bank provisions, so you can see that earlier provision was 4,244 crores and now this is 2,083 crores, which is 51% reduction. So provision is nothing but a fixed price or money kept aside just to avoid this bad loans and all. So meaning the lesser the provisions, the costlier or the good the results are. So you can see this the provisions also have reduced 51%, means it is very positive for the company. With that, now we will look into the charts of ICICI Bank, how exactly it is behaving in the last few days, few months. So you can see I have plotted the 1 day graph of ICICI Bank. I think it is from September or October. So you can see it is in continuously uptrend. It started from around 410 rupees, as you can see here, and it is continuously going up. You can see this after this particular uptrend from here till here, so which was around 550 rupees. It retraced a bit around 514. So now you can observe one thing here. After this, there was a big candle here, and the stock again moved downwards. And after this downwards, you can see these last two candles have a big green candle suggesting that the stock may go up from here. And also you can see the different EMAs I have plotted here, like 50, 100, 150 and 200. So you can see the stock is like well ahead of 100, 150 and 200. And you can see this the stock respected 50 EMA last to last trading session. That means, so this is acting as a resistance and sorry, this is the 50 EMA is acting as a support, and the stock is having some momentum from here. So, as per me, the stock might reach around 562 or 563 levels before looking for any retracement. And however, the results are so good that it might open a gap up tomorrow, Monday morning. But one thing, let me make you very clear that once it gaps up, or in that matter, any stocks which gaps up, it is not a good idea to touch that for a intraday or a swing trading. So what you can do is once the stock opens up or opens down, so wait for 1 or 2 days for that to go in the other direction, and then you can take a good trade. So that will be a kind of good trade, I can say. So like example, what I'm trying to say here is we'll see this. So now assume that the stock now closed at 534 rupees, and assuming that the stock will open 2 rupees up here, which is around 545. Okay, so here what we will do is we'll try to buy that looking at the results, say seeing the good results, but that is not the right way. So what we need to do is after it opens at 545, we need to wait for that retracement. So once it comes back, maybe around 530 or 525, whatever the price will get after like 1 or 2 days for that retracement, that will be a good price for the stock to buy. Okay, so with that, let me conclude the video. So please do like the video and subscribe it, and also share with your friends and family. Okay, so if you have any queries, any comments, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.